Hello. Today we will guide you through how to integrate System.io with Paystack. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your System.io account to Paystack so you can accept payments smoothly during checkout. Before we start, make sure you're signed into System.io, and that Paystack is supported in your country. If it isn't, the Paystack option won't appear and you'll need to use a different gateway. If it is supported, the connection takes just a few clicks. Begin on your System.io dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage funnels, products, and account settings. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your account profile icon. Hover your mouse over that profile area to reveal the account menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens the settings space for your account where payment, email, and other configurations live. Inside Settings, select Payment Gateways. This section lists every payment provider you can connect to System.io. It's the place where you activate or disconnect gateways and control how your site receives payments. Scroll down the list and look for Paystack. Depending on screen size or recent updates, the gateway tiles may be arranged slightly differently, so keep scrolling until you see the Paystack logo and description. If you don't find it, it likely means Paystack isn't available for your region in System.io. In that case, you won't be able to proceed with this connection on this account. If Paystack is available, click Connect. Make sure you're using a reliable internet connection and keep this tab open while the authorization loads. If a new window is blocked, allow it so the secure Paystack page can open. Follow the on-screen prompts exactly as they appear. Typically, you'll be redirected to a secure Paystack page to confirm the connection. Review the permissions, confirm and complete any required verification. When the process finishes, you'll be brought back to System.io, and the Paystack tile will show as connected. At this point, your gateway link is established. You can now continue with your usual setup in System.io, confident that Paystack is ready to process payments wherever it's supported on your account. If something doesn't update right away, give the page a moment or refresh your browser and revisit payment gateways to confirm the status. Also, ensure you're working in the correct workspace if you manage more than one account. If Paystack still doesn't display, confirm your account's region matches Paystack's supported markets. That's it. You've seen how to reach your account settings, open payment gateways, locate Paystack, and complete the connection. Thanks for following along and happy building.